Do you want to know the #1 secret to Facebook video ads that will actually get people to stop scrolling and watch your ads? It's to create video ads that don't actually look like ads. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go and create Facebook video ads that don't look like ads. Not only that, but if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use over 1,000 video ad templates for your videos for completely free. This is Elliot with InVideo, and let's get straight into it. Your primary focus needs to be on creating content that feels native to Facebook. So scroll down your Facebook timeline and just go and have a look at some regular posts. They're not too salesy, they're not too pushy, and this is how you want your ads to feel as well. The aim is to blend in with the Facebook timeline so that when someone sees your ad, they naturally feel like engaging with it, and then that way you can go and convince them to take the action that you want them to take. So let's have a look at a few different types of ads that seem exactly like organic feed posts, and then we can go and have a look at how to create one. The first type of ad that you can use that's super natural and organic is a testimonial ad. So this is where you have your customer and they're just talking about your product or service, or alternatively using your product or service. So you can see over here, Barley Body have a great example of this. So we have this influencer over here, and you can see in the caption it just says secret weapon and it's good for your skin, and then you can see that it's just her using it. So it's only around 14 seconds long. So you can easily go and send your product out to an influencer or a customer and get them to create one of these testimonial ads for you. But these testimonial ads should look very natural. So you don't want them to feel like an explicit or rehearsed testimonial. You want it to be user-generated content where they're actually using the product or service. These types of testimonial ads don't need to be any longer than 15 to 30 seconds. So if you can just get some of your genuine customers to use the product and send you some footage, you can go and use this for your ads. The next type of ad that you can use that comes across really organic within your Facebook feed is a fast-paced slideshow ad. Once again, Barley Body have a really great example of this. So if we just go and play this, and you can see every 1 to 2 seconds, they are just going and changing the images. So all you need to do is just go and get some really high quality images of your product, and then you're just gonna go and change them every 1 to 2 seconds. So you can start off with a 15-second ad, so you only need around 10 to 15 images of your products. The fast-paced movement in these videos, as well as the really high quality aesthetic product images, helps to keep the audience's attention really well. And once again, these videos don't come across as super salesy because they're just going and showing the product in a light-hearted way. And these images are similar to content that you might see on Instagram that is just a normal organic post. When the audience sees these high quality images, it just piques their attention and makes them want to learn more about your product. Next up, we have text on screen story videos. And this is where you use a combination of high quality footage mixed with captions on the screen to tell a story about your product or service and how your product or service can help the audience. So having a look at this ad from Tap Brothers, you can see they've got some really high quality footage of people doing exercise, and then we just have some captions over the top of that that just goes and outlines a pain point for a potential customer and how their product can provide a solution to that pain point. It's very simple to create these types of ads because you can simply just go and use stock footage and then just go and put captions over that stock footage. So you don't need any fancy footage or a high production value to go and create these types of ads. And once again, just make sure they're around 15 to 30 seconds so your audience doesn't get bored. But you really want to hit home with how your product or service can go and help with a pain point and a solution by telling a story around your product. The next type of ads that come across really natural and organic and blend in really well are ads where you just talk to your audience directly. These ads work really well if you're the business owner, or if you can get the business owner to go and create a video where they're talking to the audience directly. And this is because if you're the business owner, you know the most about your product, you know your customers' pain points, so you can go and explain it in the most natural and organic way without it seeming salesy. And of course, the fact that you have passion for your product really shows that you can go and promote it in a positive way without seeming extra salesy. Once again, Barley Body have a really great example of this. So if we just go and have a look at this ad, we can see this is the founder of Barley Body. So I'll just go and play an excerpt from this video.
Hi, I'm Laura Oosterloo, founder and managing director of Barley Body. Barley Body was born on Instagram, but we've now evolved to be a global brand. With 10,000 5-star reviews across our self-tan range, we've really hit the mark on this product. This sold out 5 times.
So you can see from this ad, she's just talking about how Barley Body was founded. She's She's talking about how the product and the brand has grown, and it just feels like she's just talking to you and having a normal conversation with you. So once again, this isn't super salesy, but it really introduces the brand in an organic way. It's really simple to go and create these types of ads. You just need to go and film yourself talking to the audience, talk about how your product or service can go and help them. And it's like I said, you're just having a natural conversation with them. Don't make these types of ads too long, around 15 to 30 seconds once again. And once again, you can go and add captions and stickers just to make these ads a little bit more engaging. The next type of ad that you can use that can feel really organic and not like an ad that's trying to sell you something is a pattern disruption ad. And pattern disruption basically just means that you're showing the audience some footage that they're maybe not used to seeing on Facebook. So something quite eye-catching. Sometimes you can use elements of comedy within these pattern disruption ads. So once again, ad zombies do this really well. So if you go and have a look at this ad over here, you can go and see that it's saying delivering eyeballs. Now, once again, that's a really striking piece of footage. And then it's saying delivering eyeballs to your business. So it just gets the point across really well. Now with these pattern disrupting ads, they're really short and snappy, so around 10 seconds where you just get to the point straight away. The main thing that you're using is the actual footage and the captions to get the audience's focus. You can see ad zombies also have another example of this one over here where they're just saying our ads kick butt. So you can see they've got over here a footage of the guy kicking someone's butt and then he's running off, and they've just got their caption over the top. So they're just using some light-hearted comedy to go and relate to the audience and pique their attention to make them want to learn more about the service. Once again, you can just go and find some stock footage. Like I said, I recommend to use something a little bit wacky, and then you can go and relate that stock footage using captions to your product or service. A great tip to find more ads like this for your niche or your product is to go and have a look at what your competitors are doing. And you can do this using the Facebook ads library. So if you just go over to the Facebook ads library, you can just go and type in your competitor's Facebook page. So for example, if we just go and type in Barley Body over here, and then you can just go and have a look at all of the ads they're running. So if you just go and click on your competitor, and then from here you can go and have a look at all of the different ad types that they're running, and you can use that for ideas to create ads for your business. Now let me go and show you how you can create these types of ads online for free using InVideo. And we actually use InVideo to go and create our Facebook ad creatives, and it saves us hundreds of hours because there's thousands of ready-to-made templates, loads of different stock footages and music that you can choose from when creating your video ad creatives. So all you need to do is sign up for a free InVideo account. I will leave a link in the description. Just click on sign up and enter in your details, and then you just need to click on continue. Once you sign up for your free InVideo account, now you can access over 1,000 free templates that you can completely customize to create ads for your brand. You can go and choose your aspect ratio, so I do recommend choosing a square video for Facebook ads, and then you can search for any type of template just by using the search bar. So for example, if you're running a clothing based website, you can just come in here and type in fashion, and then if you hit enter, you will see all of the different templates that are related to fashion. Then you can just go and choose one that you look the like of. Now don't worry too much if it isn't perfect, because I'm going to be showing you how you can go and edit everything from the stock footage to the captions to the colors and your logo. So I'm just going to go and search for agency over here, and then I'm going to go and find a template that I like the look of, and we're going to create a pattern disrupting ad similar to the ad that ad zombies have for my web design agency PrendyPress. So we can see we have this pattern disrupting template over here. So once you have found a template that you like the look of, you can just go and click on use this template. Once the template loads, the first thing that you can do is go and change the stock footage. So if you just go to video over here, and you can go and search for any type of stock footage that you want. So for this pattern disrupting ad, I still want to use somebody dancing, so I'm going to come in here and just search for dance. So I've just found this stock footage over here of this guy dancing. So once you have found some stock footage that you like, you can just go and drag the footage onto the scene and then just go and hit replace. Then you just need to go and trim the footage. So my first scene is 15 seconds long. So over here I'm just going to go and put in 15, and then over here I'm just going to go and put in 00, and then I can just go and hit done. Next up, you can go and change the captions. So where he says he just hired us to do social media marketing, I'm just going to go and change this to he just hired us to design his web. You can easily go and change the font and color of these captions. So if you just go and choose your caption, you can go to text color over here and choose whatever color you like, and you can also go and change the font just by going over here and searching whatever font that you like. Once you have edited all of your captions, you can go and add your logo to your call to action scene at the end as well. So just go to logos over here, and then all you need to do is go and upload your logo. Once you have uploaded your logo, you can just go and drag it where it says upload logo. You can go and make it bigger if you want want to, and then you can just go and drag it into the center so it is center aligned. So let's go and have a look at this video now, which is a pattern disruption ad. So as you can see, this is a really simple pattern disruption ad. We've got the guy dancing, and then we've just got the caption saying he just hired Press to do his website design. Then if we just go to the end, we can just see at the end we've got a call to action saying just relax and we'll do the rest. Very similar to the technique that ad zombies were using. So once you have finished creating your video ad creative, just click on download and share, and then all you need to do is just click on export. So if you want to leverage over 1 million free assets for your ads, you can go and do this with the free version of InVideo. However, if you are really invested in Facebook ads, you'll definitely want to check out the paid plan, which starts from $30 a month. We're super eager to get your feedback on our videos. So if you subscribe to the channel and comment down below your best takeaway from the video, we're going to pick one lucky winner from the first 50 comments to get a free unlimited subscription to InVideo worth over $360. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment down below. And if you want to dive deeper into how to set up Facebook video ads and how to set up video ads for your e-commerce products, check out one of these videos over here. This has been Elliot with InVideo, and we'll see you in one of those next videos.